homemade tostadas with like a taco potato, vegan and gluten free. Let's go. So we're going to start with our taco potato bonanza. So I've got about 3 red potatoes, a whole onion, just like small chopped roll EVOO and a cast iron. We're going to do taco seasoning. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons cumin, about half a teaspoon each garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper, chili flakes, paprika, and then a little bit of vegetable broth. So the reason I'm doing that is going to create some steam. It's going to cook these potatoes a little bit better than just straight up oil, right? So every 5 minutes, we're going to add a little bit more. You see when it gets dry, add a little bit more, and then it makes this like thick sauce, right? Because it mixes with the taco seasoning. And then when that's almost done, we're going to make a tostadas. So we got some corn tortillas, baking sheet, spray them with Pam, flip them over, spray them with some more Pam, and then we're going to let them go like 4 minutes on each side, 450-degree oven, and look at how crispy bits. So now to assemble. So we have our little station. You know I love my stations. Look at these potato tacos, taco potatoes, whatever the shit you want to call them. They look so good. They smell amazing. Some of our leftover refried beans from the other day, some homemade guac, our little like jalapenos, lettuce. You get the deal. And then we're just going to assemble. And can I just tell you how absolutely beautifully gorgeous these look? I can't believe I made these, to be perfectly honest with you. Am I a chef? Like, okay. So I'm going to take some lime, squeeze it on top, give it a little freshy fresh. And then I honestly don't know how to eat this. Do I just pick it up? Do I I guess you don't use a fork. I'm going to pick it up like a nacho, right? Like a really gigantic nacho. It's absolutely amazing. I mean, I don't know what else you would expect. Full written recipe link below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you subscribe. I love you so much. Bye.
Ooh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.